Hello, Book Leaguers, parents, teachers, and caregivers. Welcome to Book League Storytime Adventures. For my next book, I'm going to read Little Blue Truck's Halloween. This is a really fun and wholesome book, just like all of the Little Blue Truck books. In this book, on Little Blue's Drive, he encounters animals wearing masks. Who are they? We'll find out. Let's go. Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are going to a party just down the road. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. It's Halloween. You come too. Who's that in a tutu, striking a pose up on the tiniest tips of her toes? Under the mask, who do you see?
Quack,
says Duck.
it's me.
Who's this clown with a big red nose and a cap that jingles wherever he goes? Under the mask, who do you see? Says Sheep. It's me. Who's this queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels in a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see? Moo, says Cow. It's me. What scraggly hair? What funny teeth? Who is hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see?
Oink,
Says Pig.
it's me.
There's a fancy feather on the pirate's hat. Who's dressed up in a hat like that? Under the mask, who do you see? Says Hen. It's me. A dragon's head and dragon wings. Who's that wearing those dragon things? Under the mask, who do you see? Says Horse. It's me.
Cow,
Says Toad.
there's just one more. Has anyone seen this ghost before?
Off comes the sheet. It's you-know-who. Little Blue Truck says, beep, beep, boo.